Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I am so excited today because I have my Margot Elena box. And the Margot Elena box is a seasonal subscription box that I look forward to so much. It is $49.99 plus shipping and I find it to be worth every penny. Let's get in here. Margot Elena calls this their discovery box, and it comes out seasonally, and once you subscribe for it, you are subscribed until you unsubscribe, and it is $200 or more in product. And like I said, I always find it well worthwhile. It's generally body type products like lotions and shower gels and fun things like that. Sometimes there's face products, sometimes there's household products. It just always varied, and it's a way to get to know the Margot Elena brands, and I love it. I will tell you, like I tell you every season when I come on here, and it makes me so sad. This is the winter box. It is already sold out. It will always, I won't say always because I can't see the future, but it will always be sold out by the time I can come on and show you my box, because the minute they start doing their spoilers, it sells out. So it probably sells out 2 to 3 weeks before it ships. I went online and they are saying that the spring box estimated ship date is March 9th. So if after you see this, you think you have any interest in the spring box, but you don't want to go on and pay for it right now at Christmas, I totally get that. I will make the same suggestion that I made in my fall unboxing. Set an alert on something, you know, on your iPad or whatever, so that like mid-February, you can go in and purchase it if you think it's something you have any interest in, because it always sells out. So let's get in here and see what we've got. I love that it's even a pretty box. It's just pretty. And look, she has arrived. Yes, she has. This is absolutely one of my favorite boxes. I mean, I wouldn't give up my Boxyluxe for it because I do like my face products, but I look forward to this one the most, probably. And that is what it looks like on the inside. Bright and beautiful. Oh, and it already smells good. That is the beauty of this, is everything in here is going to smell so good. So that is what the inside looks like. And we have our little pamphlet that will tell us everything we need to know. I have no idea what's in here, and it's always so much fun. Okay. When I open it up, I'm going to show you guys this just so you can appreciate. Look how it had bubble wrap over top that I took out. Look how awesome that looks. Come on, guys. You know, that looks so cool. And it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay. They give us a little pamphlet that tells us what everything is in it and the value of it, but that's about all it tells us. So we will read the rest of the information on the products. And if we need more information, I brought up my iPad so we can go to the internet. Okay, digging right in, I have on top a really pretty bag. I don't even know what it is yet. I think it says bath salts, but look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, guys, it is so pretty. I think it's a bath salt. Let's see. It's hard to read this and want to work out what it is. Bath salt sachet, $15. And it has a little button closures. This smells so good. I'm literally unbuttoning this little, it literally unbuttoned. And inside we have bath salts. And it comes in a Lollia bag. They smell so good. They're kind of sweet. Oh, and clean. It's just a really clean scent. It says, these bath salts are made from the finest ingredients, sea salt and fragrance. It smells so good. And then when you're done, you, in theory, have this. You could take this little tag off and you have this adorable bag that is a little floral on the front and stripes on the back. And I always say that this is what a lot of their brand is. I always say that it's Lollia. I hope that I'm right. Oh, in the front, now that I have it nice and flat, I can see that it says Relax Lavender and Honey Floral Infusion. So that's what it smells like. Oh, guys, it smells so good. Okay, let's see what's next. I have a Lollia Classic Petal Shea Butter Hand Cream. And this is the box packaging that it comes in. how pretty. It's just all so beautifully packaged, and I love the scents. I've always found it to work really well. It is a metal tube, and this is what the tube that it comes in looks like. I just love it. My only issue, here's my issue. My only issue with Margot Elena is they always send us these lovely metal tins, which I do love. But the tops, they're sealed with the metal, and the tops aren't the kind with the little punchy thing. So I also have to get Mr. Knife involved. Okay, now let's, oh, all right, let's give this scent a try. It says Classic Petal, and this says that it is the In Love Shea Butter Hand Cream, $25 value. That is a big hand cream. It is 4 ounces. Oh, that smells really nice. Oh, feels so good too. It smells very pretty. It is very floral. As a rule, and I think I've said this before in my unboxings, if you're not a floral gal, this is not for you. I appreciate you coming by and watching my videos. You don't want this box if you don't like florals. Oh, that smells so good. I love it. Okay, next I have a Cottage Greenhouse Skin Defense Treatment for Mature or Dry Skin Pomegranate Facial Serum with orange and lavender, and it is 2 ounces, and that is the packaging. Is it not beautiful? The back of this says, our skin defense treatment for dry, mature, or sun-damaged skin is to rediscover your radiant complexion without foundation. You may dare to go bare. I doubt that. Exceptionally deep penetrating pomegranate oil improves the appearance of dry skin. Evening primrose and lavender oil are anti-inflammatory, naturally reducing redness and blotchiness to even out your skin tone. Well, you guys know I talk about my redness and blotchiness all of the time. And it is a pretty brown dropper bottle. Let's squeeze a little out and see what it smells like. Oh, it is a very light oil. It doesn't have much of a scent at all. I'll just keep putting all this stuff on my hands. I'm going to be so moisturized and smell so good. It is lovely. I will absolutely try that on my face. And the paperwork says that pomegranate facial serum is a $32 value. So if it is really nice, that is awesome, because that is a really reasonable price for a face oil. Okay, reaching in next, I have a Essential Aromatics Eucalyptus and Mint Purifying Candle. The last candle I got from them was called like 1982, and it smelled so good. I used it up in my bedroom. Oh wow, this smells like you want to burn it in winter. Like with the eucalyptus and mint, like if you had a cold, to light this at your bedside. It smells like it's one of those scents that would help with congestion. I mean, it's very pretty too, don't get me wrong. And this says that the Eucalyptus and Mint Travel Candle is a $12 value. Okay, reaching in next, let's take out this big jug. And it is Library of Flowers Shower Gel in Linden. And it is huge, and I love that it is a pump. We get almost always a shower gel from them in the seasonal, and they generally last me until the next seasonal. But I love that this is a pump. This says that it is a $24 value. Let's see if we can see what it smells like. Linden, like lindenberry. Oh, it just smells so clean. Oh, you know, this video always makes me wish that there was smell-o-vision. This all smells so crazy good. Next, I have the Tokyo Milk Dark Marquis de Posay. Let's see what this is. Green tea and jasmine lip balm. Well, that's fun. That's what the tin looks like. Let's get in here. I have received so many lip balms in so many of my boxes, but I like this kind in a tin. But as a rule, I only use it around my house, because when I'm out there in the world, I don't want to put my hands after I've been, and then I'm far too OCD for that. So these are perfect for around my house. Also, while we're talking about lips, I don't know in what order. I suspect this is going up before whatever video I'm getting ready to tell you about, because I'm going to make this, edit it, and put it up because I love it, and I always think you guys will too. Upcoming in a video, I have this lip, and they called it Lavender. Literally D-A, lavender. And I thought, you know, it's so cool. I always complain I never get cool colors, so I used it. Cool as in not warm, not cool as in Fonzie cool, which is also an old person reference. Anyway, I like it. All right. Oh, that smells fresh and nice. It's called Tokyo Dark, so I expected it to be kind of like sexy and musky, and no, it's very light. You can definitely smell the green tea and the jasmine in it. It is lovely. It feels nice. I can't really put it on my lips because of the, but it feels just like a lip balm. Well, that is very exciting. Of course, now I've just put my... Okay, next I have, oh yay, I am so excited. And you're gonna be like, seriously? Yes. This is the Tokyo Milk number 16, and it's a limited edition soap. Yes, just a bar soap. But their bar soaps smell so good. It does. It smells fantastic. And they last so long that I just love them. I wish we got them in every box. I wish we got 2 of them in every box. I would pay more to get 2 of them in every box. And as I'm saying it, I'm hearing myself and I'm thinking, why don't I just order some soaps? Good point. I appreciate you guys thinking. It just smells good. It's just a bar of soap, and it's from Tokyo Milk, and it smells fantastic. Next, because yeah, there's more. I have the Cottage Greenhouse Botanic Beauty Market Charcoal and Lemongrass Mask. White tea, chamomile, and jasmine. And it says it purifies, renews, and softens all skin types, and you use it once weekly. How gorgeous are these boxes? I will for sure use this. Because it says it purifies, it's one of those kinds that I probably use mostly in the summer because I am so dry in the winter that I focus on hydration with my masks, but it'll get used. Oh, oh, it smells good. You know, I haven't done a face mask Monday in forever. Maybe we'll do one of these once we get past the first of the year. That is what it looks like. It is just a charcoal, but it's not rough. It's very, I don't know if you can see, it's doing like lotion does. It's very nice feeling, and it smells fantastic. This says that it is a $32 value. They say they send $200+ in product, and I have found each month at the end when I go back and I work out how much I received, they get so close to that 200. It's usually like, you know, 201, 208. It's just usually right around that 200. But it only costs us $49.99 plus shipping. Okay, next I have, it's all wrapped up. What is it? It's like Christmas. I still don't know. Something they're protecting for me, that is for sure. It is a tin. I can tell that at this point. Oh, it's so pretty. Before I get my greasy hands and fingerprints all over it, look at that beautiful metal black tin. Isn't that gorgeous? And it says, great things are done by a series of small things brought together. Vincent van Gogh. So true. Oh, and it's note cards. I love that. Share the Love, set of 8 petite cards for love notes and gift enclosures. It's just, it says thank you. And it's just pretty, and it has, there's another one. Oh, this one's gorgeous. This one says a little something. So you could put that in with a present. That is so pretty. And they're blank on the inside, just so you know. You can write whatever you'd like on the inside. And then you just have pretty little white envelopes to put them in, but because it's a quality piece, it has a nice liner. These are gorgeous. I always say this, you know, I'm a paper girl. I love notes. I love to write notes. I will definitely use these. Maybe I will write some love notes. And the paperwork says that those are $16 in value. Share the Love boxed notes, Margot Elena. And last but not least, I have another Tokyo Milk product, Eau de Parfum, Dead Sexy. Look how pretty that is. Let's get in here. Ooh, it's just the perfume in there. That is what the perfume looks like. Let's spray it and find out. I love that when you look through the label from the back, it's the skull and crossbones. My mom always said avoid skull and crossbones. All right, shall we risk it? No, let's spray it on. While I love this box, let's spray it on something before I spray it on me. Ooh, it comes out powerful strong. Oh, that's nice. Very musky. Kind of clean. Almost no floral at all. Let's see if the paperwork says anything about the notes. This says, Dead Sexy Eau de Parfum, Tokyo Milk, $36. Let me see if I can find online something that tells me what the notes are. Okay, I found online where it says the fragrant notes are romantic and ethereal. They are deep vanilla, exotic wood, white orchid, and ebony. That's why I was saying it had a musky scent to it. It has like not at all floral. It's a very deep, sexy, it's sexy, dead sexy. Well named, well played, Tokyo Milk. I like it a lot. And again, that's what it came in, and it is so pretty. Okay, that is my Margot Elena box, guys. Again, it is sold out, and I am so sorry for that. And I always feel guilty when I come on here and I'm like, look at all these lovely things that you cannot purchase. Actually, technically, you could, if you saw anything that I just showed you that you wanted to purchase, you probably could go onto the site and purchase it individually. The box, though, $49.99 plus shipping and handling. I think mine is $6 shipping and handling. It's based on where you live. You get $200 or more in products. And like I said, it's usually right at $200. Let me add this up. So the box has a $211 value. I told you they usually hit really close to that $200 mark that they promise. I don't know that there are variations in this. I think in the past, like we all got this, but there were different flavors, you know, that kind of thing. But I think we all get the same thing. There aren't really variations. There you go. If you have any interest in this box, and when spring is getting near, they say it should ship about March 9th, which means it will probably sell out when they spoil it, which will probably be around mid-February. So at some point about a month out, I would set some kind of alert to let you know that it's time to go purchase it. If you don't want to go, I mean, you could go purchase it now, but it's not going to ship for 3 months. And I totally understand not wanting to spend $50-something 3 months in advance, because I think they charge you right away. So in review, I got the Tokyo Milk perfume, the Tokyo Milk Tour Eiffel soap, which I can't even tell you guys how good their soaps smell. The mud mask, which is so much fun. The lip balm, the candle, the beautiful bath salts with their, I mean, how pretty is that? I'm going to have to find something good to do with that bag. The hand cream, the pomegranate and other oils facial oil, the huge Linden bath gel, which I will use in the shower, but you could use the sink side. It would look gorgeous just sitting next to a sink. We have the pretty notes and the tin that they came in, which you could, because of the beautiful saying on the front, you could use this tin for so many things. And that was it. Thank you for coming by, guys. I hope you are having a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care of yourself. Bye, guys.